Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today, as you can see in the title, I'll be showing you guys my quick and easy high puff. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. As you can see, baby, this wash and go is just crusty. So this is what we're working with today. It's a no-no. So what I'm gonna start out by doing is just spraying my hair just a little bit, just so I can loosen it up a little bit. And then what I like to do is spray around the perimeter of my hair. Got to make sure that it's nice and wet, because when you apply the gel, you want it to lay down. So today for this look, I'm going to be using my gel of choice, which is the Eco Styler gel. You can use whatever gel you like. And I'll be using the Eco Booster Styling Pomade. So anyways, I'm going to work that all around the perimeter of my hair, using however much needed. So now I'm going to be using my headband. I just got this from the local beauty supply store. And I'm going to put that on so that I could better see what I'm working with. In here, I'm just smoothing everything out, making sure everything is laying down nicely. And this may take a few times just to make sure you have everything smooth. So now this is optional. I'm just going to go in with my Tangle Teaser, because I feel like that helps to smooth out my curls a little bit more, being that I'm combing through them instead of just brushing over them. So yeah. All right, y'all. So now I'm going to go in with my Edge Booster by Style Factor. And y'all, let me tell you, this is the best edge control that I've ever used. I have zero flaking, and it holds for a very long time. So I got it from my local beauty supply store. So if you have a beauty supply store near you, I suggest you go in and cop this. You will not regret it. I'm going to cut my headband in half. And this is the trick to get the hold that you want around your puff. So I just wrap that around my head, and then I tie it in the front. Just tying it like so. And then what I do now is just pull it up. And you could pull it up however much you want. I just pull it up until I get my desired look. And now that my hair has gotten longer, I noticed that sometimes I have to use a second headband to get the form that I want. So that's what I'm doing here. And y'all know I love big hair, so I'm just using my pick to give it a little bit more value. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video.